Hey guys, we're back for part 2 of this series. Let's use here. Where'd my house go? Oh, lag. Where'd my house go? Where'd my house go? Seriously, where'd my house? Oh, froze. Okay. Okay, I got my house up there. No, that's my house. I know it's over here, I think. Who the monster house? Took a lot of wood to get that. Let's see, spawn. Spawn. Oh, here we go. Teleport. Teleport me. There we go. I'm going to the shop. Anyways, we can't go that way. Cause look what happened. Let's see. We must donate to enter. And I'm not gonna do that. I don't have any money. My parents would kill me. Anyways, let's go to my house. If it's been demolished, I'm gonna be very mad. Leap of faith, it's like right over there. Leap of faith. What? Stupid Warzone thingy. Rage quit. Oh, la. It's not fair, Jack me. It's not fair. It's not fair that they dismantled my house. Well, you didn't get shit. But anyways, let's try this again. My computer's really slow, so yeah. www.minecraft.net/http //www.minecraft.net/. I don't get what's .net because the .com is just a bunch of weird stuff. Anyways, I'm tired. I'm very tired. Very. Go to Minecraft.net. www.minecraft.net. Internet block cannot spell webpage. Oh, come on. You can't see it though. There we go. Oh, trip. There we go. Bring back now, y'all. One hop this time. Right foot, let's go. Left foot, let's go. Oh yeah. Everybody clap your hand. Oh crap, keyboard almost fell. Remember, Bryce Levitt's gonna be doing some gaming videos, so make sure to check him out. So yeah, and make sure to check me on my other channel, Random Guy 171. I do daily posts this channel a couple of times a week, and I entertain you with Minecraft. Ron, Mojang. Let's see, we have a run Mojang with an apple seed, it looks like. Apple seed! Oh, apple seed right there. M-O-J-A-N-G. Mojang. Mojang. Anyways, let's get serious. I have about 4 minutes left. Four. Anyways, why is it on texture packs? Why? How you do? That sounded weird. Anyways, let's play some survival games. Let's see, that one has 0. Let's see, this one has. Oh, can't reach server. Why does my internet have to be so sucky? Anyways, this one has 6, I think. Yeah, so we have 3 more minutes for this part. Let's see, what's going on? Fun! I'm lagging again. I'm lagging. Lagging in the USA. Lag. Oh, why must I lag? Why do I have to have sucky internet? Come on. Oh, let's see. I wish this was real gold, where I could chop it up. Diamond, lapis. Anyways, Lopus, whatever it's called. I'm lagging again. What the crap just happened? Ah! What's happening to me? I'm gonna climb up this waterfall. This is gonna be hard. No, come on. This is going to be difficult. I'm gonna see if it's a challenge I can get up there before this part ends. It's gonna be close. How high does this thing go? I wasn't even going at all. Okay, this is the end of part 2. See you guys later. Bye.